we are seeing a repeat of the opening match at the Azteca, Mexico, South Africa, which was the opener in 2010 in Soccer City, Johannesburg. South Africa drew 1-1 against Mexico in the opening match. Will it be same results? Will there be a winner for any of those two countries this time when they played at the Azteca, the famous stadium that hosted the 1978 World Cup? Mexico currently have a very young team, not the big name players that we used to know, like the likes of Carlos Vela, Giovanni Dos Santos, Rafael Marquez, and co. Equally, for South Africa, they don't parry the likes of Teko Modise, Aaron Mbazu, Mokoena, Sifiwe Chabalala. You remember Chabalala with the goal that gave us a very iconic celebration, the 10 and then the dance. A very popular footage of what the 2010 World Cup offered us as Africans. Then there is the likes of South Korea and Czech Republic, who are also in the same group with something to also prove. South Korea, a usual World Cup campaigner, because they appeared in the World Cup for consistent in the last 5 or 6, if I'm not mistaken. Czech Republic, been a while. The last appearance they made was in the 2006 edition, where they were in the same group with Ghana, United States of America, and then Italy, which they were actually knocked out of the group stage. At the time, they had one of the best squad that was assembled. You remember Jan Kola and co, Rosicky and the likes, Milan Baroš and whatsoever. This time they come with a very young team, a very unassuming side, not so popular names, Matej Kovac, Patrick Schick in the Bundesliga. So it's a very interesting group. Looks like a group that could potentially have more draw games than maybe the other groups, I should say. But you expect that Mexico, being one of the host nations, should sneak in or should potentially make it out of this group with Raul Jimenez and Guillermo Ochoa still in goal. A young side makes some bit of experience to be able to make it out of this group. I tip Mexico to go top of this group and expect South Korea to also nick it at second place. Now it will be a toss of a coin for me, a toss of a coin between Czech Republic and South Africa, who comes third. So if there are more drawn games in this group, it could affect a third place country here, where there could be a situation whereby a third place team finishes with less than 3 points. If there are more draw games, I hope you understand. So if that becomes the case and there are not a win or two for a third place country, say South Africa finishes third, but draws 2 games, loses 1, then it could mean that just 2 teams could potentially qualify out of this group. And then again, to reiterate, this is a tournament that potentially could have 8, or I should say, actually expect that there will be 8 teams who've placed third out of the 12 qualifying to be part of the round of 32. So a third place finish isn't that bad. It requires that at least you get minimum 3 points, and then hoping that other results elsewhere will favor the third place team in that group. So I will put South Africa as a third place team, and I expect that at least they win a game in this group to make it out of the group stage, at least to the round of 32.